Welcome to today's session. In this video, we'll explore one of the most important concepts in modern SAP development, Core Data Services Views, also known as CDS Views. If you've heard about them but never really understood what they do, you're in the right place. So, what exactly is a CDS view? In simple terms, a CDS view is a smart data model that sits on top of your database tables. Think of it as a virtual layer that lets you define, combine, and expose business data without creating new physical tables. With CDS views, you can take data from multiple sources, join them together, and enrich them with business meaning. This makes them reusable, extendable, and perfectly aligned with the SAP S/4HANA architecture. Now, why do we need CDS views? There are several key reasons. First, they are optimized for SAP HANA, which means faster queries and better performance. Second, they are reusable across applications, whether you're building Fiori apps, generating reports, or exposing data as OData services. Third, CDS views bring in rich semantics through annotations. For example, you can add UI settings, analytical features, or even authorization rules directly inside the CDS definition. And finally, they represent the future of data modeling in SAP, gradually replacing the older SE11 views. So, how do we actually build a CDS view? CDS views are created in ABAP development tools, usually inside Eclipse. The syntax looks very similar to SQL, but with some SAP-specific extensions. Here's a simple example. Imagine you want to build a sales report by combining the sales order header and item tables. In your CDS definition, you would write something like this. In this code, you define a new CDS view called zSalesData, join two standard tables, and select only the fields you want. Notice also the annotations at the top. These tell SAP how to handle authorization and how to expose this view in the system. So, where do we actually see CDS views in action? Well, if you've used SAP Fiori apps or SAP Analytics in S/4HANA, you've already been using CDS views, even if you didn't know it. For example, when you open a sales order analysis app in Fiori, the data displayed is powered by CDS views behind the scenes. They are also used to deliver pre-built virtual data models, which SAP ships with S/4HANA to cover standard business processes. Let's quickly recap the key points. CDS views are the modern way of modeling data in SAP. They combine performance, semantics, and reusability. And they are essential for S/4HANA and Fiori applications. If you're moving into the SAP S/4HANA world, understanding CDS views is a must. Thanks for watching this introduction to SAP CDS Views. In the next video, we'll go hands-on and actually build a CDS view step by step. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and continue your SAP learning journey. See you in the next session.